Hello kids, for word study today you will need your black and white word study notebook, and you're going to watch a couple of videos. You're going to click into the word study, the Wednesday word study videos here, and we are focused this week on words that have TH sounds. So that could be TH anywhere in the word, in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. We started a list yesterday of TH words, and I'd like for you to add to the TH words every word that comes on the screen in these two videos for the TH sound. I'd like for you to write down. I would also like for you to be practicing sounding out the words that you hear in the videos. So that will give you multiple ways for your brain to be internalizing and learning these spellings of these words. And as I see your writing, your authentic writing, when I give you some kind of writing assignment in the classroom, I should start seeing these words that include the sounds we've studied to start becoming spelled correctly. So the idea is we are kind of focusing in on one sound right now, but it will generalize into bigger assignments. And as you go through your writing samples and your writing creative stories, these things should be coming out correctly in the writing that you're doing on your own. So good luck and have fun. The first video is kind of a movement video, so you might need to watch it twice. So you're doing the movement as you watch it the first time, and the second time you can copy down the words, or you can stop and start the video, however you'd like to do that. But I want to make sure you're adding to your word lists that have the TH sound spelled into those words. Good luck and have fun.